Hello, and welcome back to Empower Your Mind. Have you ever felt nervous or confused when shopping in English? Maybe you couldn't ask for the right size or didn't know how to ask for the price. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to learn 30 practical and basic English sentences that you can use when shopping. These phrases are simple, useful, and perfect for beginners. Here's how today's listening will work. You will listen 2 times. The first time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed without script. Try to listen carefully and guess the meaning. The second time, we'll play each sentence twice, once at normal speed and once at slow speed with the script on screen. This way, you can improve both your listening and your understanding step by step. So get ready. Find a quiet place, focus your ears, and let's begin learning real English for real situations. Let's start.
Excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Excuse me, do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in another color? 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 Where can I find the changing room? 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 Can I try this on? 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 I'm just looking, thank you. 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 How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Is this on sale? Do you sell shoes here? 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 Can you help me find a jacket? 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 Do you have anything cheaper? 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 I'll take this, please. I'll take this, please. I'll take this, please. I'll take this, please. Can I pay by card? 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 Do you accept credit cards? 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 Do you have change for a $50 bill? 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 Can I get a receipt, please? 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 Is it possible to return this later? 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 Do you offer refunds? Do you offer refunds? Do you offer refunds? Do you offer refunds? Can I get a discount? 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 That's too expensive for me. 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 I'm looking for something under $20. 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 It doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. It doesn't fit me. It looks great on me, doesn't it? 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 The color doesn't suit me. 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 I like the design of this shirt. 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 This fabric feels really nice. 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 I think I'll keep looking. 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 Do you have any recommendations? 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 Can you wrap it as a gift? 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 I'll come back later. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. I'll come back later. Thanks, but I'll think about it. Thanks, but I'll think about it. Thanks, but I'll think about it. Thanks, but I'll think about it.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned 30 useful and practical English sentences for shopping. These phrases will help you ask questions, understand prices, and feel more confident in real shopping situations. Remember, the more you listen and repeat, the more natural it will feel. Don't worry if you didn't understand everything the first time. Learning takes practice. Try to use some of these sentences next time you go shopping, or even when practicing with a friend. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Empower Your Mind for more useful English listening practice. Thanks for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson, and happy shopping.